from the provider. Top of the egg is a battery tester. And what we're going to show you is how nicely they are packaged and how to use the battery tester and what it's all about. Inside the product is the instruction manual you can go over, protected by plastic, and the alligator clips for the battery, nice and large and opening. It has a negative and a positive. We have the actual unit that runs off of the battery itself, and these are the controls of the unit. The BT300, we're going to connect our battery terminals, positive, negative. The unit lights up BT300 with the ESC F1V and a 5D joystick with the up and down arrows and the OK. To back out, we hit the ESC. If we click on the V, it tells us we have 12.5 volts, a minimum and maximum of 12.5 volts. Hitting the F1. The F1 tells us to replace the battery at 28.6 volts with the voltage of 12.53 and the 360 CCA, 103 CCA that's running with the 25.90 and 78% of power. What we're going to be doing is testing out the battery by hitting the OK, out of vehicle by hitting OK, the normal battery, putting in the CCA, which is 360, and clicking on OK, and testing the unit. We are 28.6% of battery life. We're demonstrating with the in-car battery by connecting to the terminals, positive and negative. The unit turns on, car, in vehicle, standard test, normal battery, CCA, turn off the engine and all auto electrical devices, and add in the amount of CCA, 640, by holding the up or down in 5 increments. Hit OK and testing. Before charging, click OK. We're at 51.1% at 12 volts, 640 amps, 32, 8.37 at 32%. Back out and let's check after charging. Charge test. Turn on the load and increase the speed to 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs. Load voltage 13.82, no load voltage 13.74, ripple at 8.86. To run the next test, a start test, hit the start. Turn off the engine, lights for 2 minutes, and discharge and then start again. After the lights have been turned on for 2 minutes, then we start the car after pressing OK. Start the engine. $13.9 volts, 13.7 volts, and we see a wave form. Minimum is 8.2 volts for the battery, maximum 14.0 volts, abnormal. So if you're looking for a BT300 battery tester to check out the life of the battery of your car for replacements and more, this product may be something that you are looking for in your automobile needs. I hope you enjoy the product if this is what you are looking for, and thank you for viewing.